Good morning, students. So today we read in math chance and probability. So what is chance and probability? Probability means possibility. So sometimes one case has many possibility. We imagine that either suppose someone say about an incident, it may be true or false. True for probability. We imagine that either he is saying true or false. True probability. When we play a coin, the chances of coming head or tail. Head probability 1, tail probability 1. Suppose when we play dice means there are 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 probability means when we play dice, it may come 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That is also every number has one probability. Sometimes in rainy season, so when we go outside, we take umbrella with us. So what we think that it may be raining, because rain day means there is no means what confirm you say that there will be rain or not. So always we take rain with us, there will be no rain. But when sometimes we forget to take rain, take umbrella, that day there will be rain. So the possibility in 10 days, raining one day, 10 days means raining of the probability of the raining is 1 by 10 or 1. So to get just when we toss a coin, it come head or tail. So we confirm it may be 2 times head, 2 times tail, like this. So we say that this is a random experiment. So when we just toss a coin, we do that random. That experiment is called random. Means randomly what may be come. When we toss a dice, we play dice, may come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. From this number, any one number will come. So this is called probability. Okay. Suppose a wheel is there, where 3 alphabets A, B, C, that is a pointer. So when we spin the wheel, then the arrow may be at B or at A or at C. So A, B, C has the probability also. Each alphabet has one probability. Okay. Suppose a pot with different color balls are there. Okay, different color balls are there. Yellow, red, green, purple. Okay. Suppose black. So you just put your hand and put out a ball, means it may be white color, it may be red color, it may be green color or purple color or black color. Means every ball has probability is 1 or possibility is 1. So this is called probability. So a coin is tossed several times and number of times we get had a tail is noted. Means if you toss a coin several times, 50 times, 60 times, 70 times, 80 times, means the number probability may be, it may come near about. That means suppose 50 times you toss a coin, means if head will come 20 times, tail will come 30. So sometimes head, if another friend tosses 50 times, maybe head 35, tail 15 times. Like this, your result will come. These are the probability or possibility. So linking chance to probability means what? Suppose consider the experiment to tossing one coin once. One coin you just tossed once. So you say head or come tail. So likelihood getting head of the two outcomes, in other words it is half. Suppose probability of head. Once you tossed once the coin tossed, means head probability is 1 by 2. Tail probability is 1 by 2. How? You toss them, there are total 2 probability, head and tail 2 probability. Okay, total outcomes 2. and each one is 1. So it is 1 by 2. When you just play a dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total numbers are 6. So one possibility by total number of possibilities. So one's probability is 1 by 6. Two's also 1 by 6. Three's also 1 by 6. 4 also 1 by 6. 5 also. So every number's probability is 1 by 6 because it may become 2, then 3 or 4 or 5. The probability is 1 by 6. So number of times by total number 1 by 6. Okay. Suppose like this I say that suppose in a pot six balls are there. There are 2 black balls, 4 red balls. Okay. The black means, and how many times you can put up? 2 times. So probability 2. Red means 4 times. You 4 times put out the ball. Okay. So the red ball, black ball probability is 2. Total is 6. Red ball probability is 4. Total is 6. So here 2 1 by 3, 1 by 3. 2 2 2 3. It is 2 by 3. Like this you solve. The probability of a black ball is, how many balls are there? 2 balls out of 6 balls. And red balls are 4 balls out of 6 balls. So here probability, here 1 by 3, 2 by 6, it is 4 by 6. Like this you will solve the probability question. Okay. So here when given one circle, okay, so R G R G G G R. Okay, so R circle red, green, red, green, 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 red, green. So list the number of outcomes getting green sector. The green sector how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green sector. Equal to 4. Red sector equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So green sector 5, red sector totally 8. Okay. So find the probability not getting green sector. Not getting means if green sector is 5, not getting the probability means 3. Okay. If you say not getting red sector means 5. 5. So like this you will try to solve the probability case. Not very difficult. Simply you think the number of times it will fall. Head and tail means 2. Head means 1 by 2. Tail means 1 by 2. Dice means 1 by 6 to 1 by 6. Every number's probability is 1 by 6. Okay. All are same. Another one question I will try to solve. Suppose one dice where four, 5, A, D, C, B. So for B, spinning wheel is probability 1. For C also 1. For D 1. For A it is 2. Probability is 2. So tossing 2 coins together means suppose you tossing 2 coins means maybe head 1 coin, another tail, maybe 1 tail, another is a head. Okay, 2 coins. What come in 2 coins? You just remind. two to them may be tail, maybe hatch. So these are the probability when you toss two coins at a time. Okay, when a die is thrown, least outcomes of an event getting a prime number. So you just now understand this. So in dice, what numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here asking the probability of a prime number. So prime number means which is? 1 is not prime number, not composite number. So 2, 3, 5. So probability of prime number. You just count how many when you throw a dice. 2, 3, 5. Another question. Not a prime number. Not a prime means 1, 4, 6, 4. Then a number greater than 5. A number, suppose greater than 5 means only 6. Then a number not greater than 5. A number equal to 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you will solve. So I hope you can understand this. So this is all about today's class.